Everybody, Pete here, giving you some business advice for your commercial cleaning account. If you're struggling to get more contracts, but you need to make more money, if you've had a client for at least 3 or 4 months, there's nothing wrong with making up a flyer or an ad. Sorry for the noise, I'm driving in the neighborhood. Making up an ad, offering people quarterly cleaning for fridge cleanouts, and or offering them a monthly service fee of $39.95 for you to make sure their air filter is always changed every month and their light bulbs are getting changed out. The beautiful thing about that service fee is they'll pay it often 6 months at a time or a year at a time, which gives you money, cash flow up front, and you can buy the type of air filter your client wants in bulk, often cheaper when you buy it in bulk. And also, if you've got a battery and bulbs plus place next to you, you can set up a commercial account for yourself. Mine gives me 10% off or 12% off retail, and I charge 22% more than the bulb cost me, plus a $29 installation fee, even with their monthly and annual contract for that service. So for example, if I'm charging $39.95 a month and they pay that for 6 months or a year, and their light bulb goes out and their light bulb is $20, it costs me $20, I'm going to charge them 22% more than the $20 plus the $29 installation fee, because I got to go and get the lens down, and I've got to get the ladder, and I got to put the bulb in and carry off the old dead bulb. That is a fee that clients happily pay for, and has earned me tens of thousands of dollars throughout the year. And I have a funny story, sort of. My father-in-law thought that's crazy, $29 to install a light bulb. I said, well, Dad-in-law, you got to remember something. This is a real estate broker's office, and they're selling. Their cheapest house they sold was around $450,000 that month. And the most expensive house they sold that month was $16 million. So they don't bat an eye at me charging $29 to get a ladder out and put a light bulb in, which literally takes me less than 10 minutes. So they're paying for the bulb plus some. They're paying $29 for the installation of that bulb, and they're also paying the monthly fee of $39.95. And he doesn't seem to get that a broker that's making that kind of money in real estate doesn't think twice about paying me to change a light bulb. It's a big business, and you should start looking at things like that. Vacuuming out the back of refrigerators when you do the fridge clean out. Take a before picture of all the dust and gunk that's built up, because I guarantee you a commercial refrigerator in an office, whether it's a doctor's office or a real estate office, is going to be caked full of nasty stuff. You take a picture of it before, you take a picture of it after, and you make some full color flyers at Office Max, and you send them out to all your clients. And probably at least 20% of them are going to sign up for that fridge clean out service, because no one wants to have to buy a new fridge. And no one wants a fridge to die on the weekend at a real estate office and have all kinds of melting, nasty, gross stuff in it. It's a good business. People will sign up for it, and it's easy cash flow for you. You should definitely get into doing that. And it makes the fridge last longer. So if you're not doing that, consider fridge clean out, fridge vacuuming, light bulb replacement, and air filter replacement. These are things that commercial business people that own a business don't think about. And the front desk gatekeeper at a dentist office, that person's not thinking about these things either. You can easily upsell people on these types of things. Think of it as your Netflix membership account. You're going to be able to get these people to not have to think about their fridge filters. Their air filters, the refrigerators, you name it. And if you have problems bidding commercial properties correctly to where you have enough to pay yourself, enough to pay your employees, that you have allowances for room of giving them raises and bonuses or paid holidays, and you don't have a money budget set up for marketing, try our free 7-day trial at begreenclean.com. I've been in the business 31 years, and I had that software built to give cleaning companies in the commercial space. It's not for residential cleaning, it's only for commercial cleaning. But try our trial for 7 days. See what you think. It makes bidding properties so simple and so very easy. I think you'll love it. You can try it out for 7 days for free. Thank you for watching.